Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn biomedical instrumentation. In that subject, we have chosen topic electrodes used for ECG. Today our learning objectives are: first, define ECG. In last session, we have learned that ECG is electrocardiogram. It is the electrical activity generated by human heart. Second learning objective is define electrodes. Electrodes are basically used to pick up bioelectricity from human body. It would discuss in last session. Third, today we are going to learn different types of ECG electrodes and understand how ECG electrode works. There are basically 4 types of ECG electrode. We will understand each electrode one by one. First electrode is limb electrode. As shown in figure, there are rectangular or circular surface electrodes. They are applied to the surface of the body with electrode jelly. They offer 2 to 5 kilo ohm resistance. The electrodes are held in position by elastic strap. They are called limb electrodes as they are best suitable for application in 4 limbs of body. 4 limbs means 2 arms and 2 legs of our body. The disadvantage of this limb electrode is that it is not useful for long-term monitoring. The second electrode is floating electrode. The interface can be stabilized by use of floating electrodes in which metal electrode does not make direct contact with the skin. The principle of this electrode is to eliminate movement artifact by avoiding any direct contact of the metal with skin. The only conductive path between metal and skin is electrolyte paste or jelly, which forms an electrolyte bridge. Figure shows different types of floating electrode used for pick up electricity that is generated by heart. Third electrode is pre-gel disposable electrode. We can say that main advantage of this disposable electrode is that chances of infection can be minimized. The main design feature of these electrodes, which helps in reducing the possibility of artifacts, drift and baseline wandering, is the provision of high absorbency buffer layer with isotonic electrolyte. This layer absorbs the effect of movement of electrode in relationship to the skin and create polarization similar to half potential. In this electrode, jelly is used and it is used only one time. After that, it can be disposed. It consists of large disc of plastic foam material with silver plated disc on one side attached to silver plated snap. A lead wire with snap is then snapped onto the electrode and used to connect the assemble to monitoring system. The silver plated disc serves as an electrode and may be coated with AgCl layer. A layer of electrolyte gel covers the disc. The electrode side of foam is covered with an adhesive material that is compatible with skin. Fourth type of ECG electrode is air jet electrodes. Air-jet electrodes are AgCl electrodes encapped with a medical silicone cup bounded by skin engineering rim. The contact area is a layer of synthetic sintered carbon by titanium screw. Ambient air is drawn to small compressor and passed to electrodes at constant of 3.8 psi. As the air passes through Venturi air jets, the electrodes produce constant vacuum of 2 psi at contact. The constant vacuum allows electrodes to remain attached to the body. The system uses a compressor to pump ambient air into distribution box. From the distribution box, 10 PVC wires carry air and stainless lead wires to the air jet electrodes. Thank you.